Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Dual head LED work light from Hychika. Better tools for better life. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Now, at the box we have the two headlights, 60 and 60 watts, 14,000 lumens it is the maximum, with the color temperature 6500 K. And the plug with a cable length 3 meters, very convenient, I like that. We can see how they are connected together. The tripod, 1.5 meters. The height, and the mounting bar for the two head work lights. Now I will install this metal bar at the two work lights. Adjustable bracket at the back. I like the red color. Perfect. Removing the other. Nice. And then we need to install one by one here. And it goes that way. Perfect. And now let's install the mounting bar with the work lights at the tripod. Use this huge knob to lock. Remove this knob. And then install the mounting bar with the lights, the screw, and lock it. Loosen the knob and you can rotate, adjust it, find the right position. Make the final adjustments, and of course you can rotate and the mounting bracket. So many adjustments, I like that. And with the two locking knobs you can adjust and the height. The sheer amount of light you get from these two 60 watts heads, combined with a stable and highly adjustable tripod, offers incredible value for the price. It throws a bright, consistent beam without the heat of traditional halogen lights, making your workspace safer and more comfortable. Plus, its portability means you can easily move it wherever light is needed most. With its incredible brightness, wide beam spread, and stable, adjustable tripod, it provides the perfect illumination for construction sites, workshops, garages, or even just brightening up your outdoor projects at night. The durable IP65 waterproof design means it's ready for any challenge. If you've been relying on flimsy work lights or struggling with poor visibility, the Hychika LED construction spotlight is a significant upgrade that will make a tangible difference in your project. For contractors, serious DIYers, or anyone who needs reliable, high-output lighting on the go, the Hychika spotlight offers an excellent solution. Well, that brings us to the end of our review of the Hychika LED construction spotlight. What's your top tip for lighting up a workspace? Share your ideas in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on tool tests and reviews. You can find links on the LED construction spotlight in the description below. Until next time, keep those projects shining.